Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another top tip video. Today's top tip has to do with avoiding that shiny stuff we get from scoring cardstock, especially black or dark colors. Let me show you what I mean. So you've scored your cardstock, it's time to fold it and crease it. So you fold it down and then you take a bone folder or a little scoring tool like this that is not Teflon or is not one of those fancy ones, you know what I'm talking about, and you score. And when you do, you can sometimes get that shiny mark on the cardstock and you can see where you scored. This one didn't do too, but there's a little bit of it. See that little shininess? Now the thing about these Teflon bone folders is it does away with that. You don't have that shininess that you get from the little plastic ones, okay? So at Craftercropolis, one of the students came up and gave me a great tip. Check this out. So if you don't have a fancy Teflon bone folder, the next time you go to score something dark and you don't want to leave that little shiny line, fold it over and then place a piece of paper on it and then use your bone folder. Why have I not thought of this? It's like, duh, if you place a piece of paper on it, then it's not gonna shine up your cardstock. Isn't that brilliant? So smart. It doesn't have to be copy paper or any specific, look at that, it's nice and matte. It doesn't have to be copy paper or any specific paper. You literally just grab a scrap out of your scrap bin whenever you're doing this and that will help. So if you don't have one of these guys that won't leave the shine and you're using your regular bone folder, which I don't have my gray one with me, it's still packed up from Craftercropolis, but if you're using your regular bone folder and you don't want to leave that shiny mark on your page, a piece of paper is your friend. That's a cool tip, right? Hey, thanks so much for sharing that with me. And remember to subscribe to this channel. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away an electronic cutting machine of the winner's choice, either a Silhouette, a Scan and Cut, or a Cricut. So be sure to subscribe and like the video as well. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.